Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install Bootstrap on our Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 operating system. Bootstrap is one of the most popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile friendly websites and web applications. So let's see how we can download and install Bootstrap on our system. So first of all, open your favorite browser and just search for Bootstrap, and the first link which will appear here will be from getbootstrap.com. So just click this link, and in here you just need to click this download Bootstrap, and you will see here three options. One is download Bootstrap, other is download source, and third one is download SAS. So one we are interested in is this one, and it's a free open source initiative, so you can download it for free. So just click this button and it's going to download a zip file for you. So click OK. Now go to the folder where you have installed this zip file and just extract this zip file wherever you want. I'm going to extract it in the same folder. And inside this folder you will be able to find three folders. One is CSS folder, other one is fonts, and third one is JavaScript. So for example, we go into the CSS folder, and in here you will be able to see some of the CSS files related to the themes and design, and this and this are important in our case whenever we want to start this Bootstrap project from the starting. This CSS file is important, this one and this one. And the basic difference between these two CSS files is the size. So basically both are almost the same files, but the size is different. One is 120 KB, and when you open this file you will be able to see it's like a miniature file and compressed file. And when you open this other bootstrap.css file, you will be able to see that it's like your normal CSS file which you can add it. But for the best practices, you may want to create your own CSS file for styling your HTML code. So once you have extracted your folder, what you can do is you can go to the same folder where you have extracted your this zip file, and inside the folder you can create a HTML file. For example, I'm going to create a new HTML file. For example, I'm going to name it as index.html. Okay, and I'm going to open this index.html, and in here we can write some code. So for the first time, what we are going to do is we are going to go to once again this website, which is getbootstrap.com, and on the right hand side you will be able to see these tabs here, and in here you will be able to see basic templates. You can click this link, and in here there is a basic example of this HTML5 which you can copy and paste it in your index.html. And in here I will make it a little bit bigger, and here you can see some tags, and you will be able to see this hello world. So let's save this file first and let's run it into the browser. So you can, I'm using Notepad++ by the way to edit my files, but you can choose the editor you like the most. So you can either preview this HTML file by right clicking, and you can open with your favorite browser like this, and it's going to show this hello world. But this is not the simple HTML hello world. You can see some design incorporated already here. And this is how you can run your first Bootstrap HTML file. And when we go inside this HTML file, you will be able to see this line of code, and this line of code is for the responsiveness of your browser. So you can use your website on mobile, and because Bootstrap is a mobile friendly web framework, so we will go to this web page once again, and on the right hand side you will be able to see this examples here. So you can click any example, and you can choose any example from here. So for example, I'm going to choose this example, and when I shrink this browser, you will be able to see the responsiveness of the web page. So for example, on the mobile it will look something like this, and on your regular Windows browser it will look like this. So this is due to Bootstrap, and it's more responsive, right? Now once again we will go to our HTML page, and here we can see this bootstrap.min.css, which is taken from the CSS folder, and on the bottom you can see it uses jQuery for its plugin. So you can see this comment here, necessary for Bootstrap JavaScript plugins. So you need to include this jQuery file here, and the last line you can see is it's using bootstrap.min.js, and this file you can find in the JS folder in your extracted folder. Okay, so this is how you can download and install Bootstrap and run your first Bootstrap HTML page. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.